today I've actually had an invite from Thomas Jackson to come on his Case IH Maxim 140 and got a big set of weights there. Keep the nose down. Make a difference, aye?
It does actually. It's maybe a bit, sticks out of me, but too much I think. It's meant for the McCormick that's on the trailer today.
Right.
But it's not been quite.
Pinched him, have
I
you?
pinched it basically off him, that's right.
Well, I don't know if we can see Joe or not. Sometimes go in the cabin with Joe as well.
I've no camera shy, Joe.
No. I nearly went through the front windscreen.
Oh, right.
Metal detector came on.
Oh, it's shut forward.
In the old one, like, aye. And I got quite a scare, to be honest. A fair old crop of grass.
Oh, yeah, it is.
But that's not a bad thing.
No, it's no, definitely not.
And if you get it all like this, it'll be good as well.
Exactly.
Good quality.
Just a shame it was raining yesterday.
Well, I did film. Were you on the truck mowing, were you?
No, I was Ted on.
Oh, you were Ted, were you? Seems to have found another gear. Oh. Maybe too soon, eh? Oh, you're loaded?
Aye, so
well.
So he says anyway.
And the chopper man says you're loaded.
Exactly, I didn't get to
Head back to the pit.
Exactly.
Yeah, a great view from here, eh?
Oh, aye. Aye, it's class. That's what it is.
It can only less than 3 minutes to fill that load, I would have thought.
Aye, aye. Aye, the old chopper was a bit different from the Neon.
Yes, aye. I think you said you were looking for a second hand one, but at the end of the
there wasn't
day,
any.
at the end of the day, they're mostly FUC, KAD, everybody's finishing.
Exactly.
So you keep yours for quite a while. So.
Oh, we did, aye.
At the end of the day, bit the bullet and bought a new one.
Aye, well that old one did well, like, for what it was a really good chopper, but this new one's a bit better, so it is. I think Joe's happy with it anyway.
I would imagine so. The other one was quite a bit of age about it.
You want to be filming that? There's a quad bike on the pit.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I can see it, aye.
It must be rolling it.
Did somebody go out the Crichton or what? Aye.
That's somebody they see every day.
Aye. Oh, yeah, someone rolling a pit with a quad bike, but I don't think they're very good with these flotation tyres.
No.
And it's James Jackson that's on the link today. So can we name and shame?
Oh, it's Dave Jackson, that's my father.
Right, sorry about that.
It's
alright. Thank you, right. That's your dad, is it?
Aye, it's getting in the way as usual.
This a calls in for milking or?
It will be, aye.
What time of day is it?
I think we're a bit late started the day.
Right.
For some reason, I don't know.
Do you milk at all then?
I do when the relief milkers are there or they need a hand. But apart from that, I try to stay away from it. I've done my fair share when I was younger.
Right. Getting older and wiser, is that what you're trying to say?
Pretty much, aye.
I haven't heard any crunching yet, so that must be good. Never a bad sign. There he is, the man himself. Enjoying life. Is he smoking, is he? No?
He's speaking on the CB.
Oh, he's on the CB.
He loves a camera, James. Loves a camera.
Well, that's right. Well, some people just won't have it at all. Like,
okay.
They're pretty much fair game if you're out and about.
Oh, aye. Oh, aye.
So, yeah.
100%.
Missed that gate post and the other one, that's good.
Oh, we get through gates, we're ripping posts off a little bit.
Aye.
That was a bonus.
Just pretty off to the